Hello guys, I'm here in the house for a while because I have something to do to Chris. Chris is still in the shops. I have two different brand of bubble gum. This one is very sweet. It's called Pintura. This one is very sweet. And then I have another one. It's Yaki. It's very sour. And then I'm gonna show to Chris that I'm eating a bubble gum, and then I'm gonna offer to him this bubble gum. So let's see if what his reaction when he eat this bubble gum, very sour. So let's go guys, let's see guys if what his reaction when he eat this very sour. I'm going back na guys in the shop. I'm so excited if what his reaction of this bubble gum when he try to taste. So I have a bubble gum here. You want?
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, of course it is.
It's sweet. I thought you want sweet. Huh?
Maganda ako, grabe.
Wala.
Green. Saka sa mga gusto, no?
Not yan, no. You want also can do it.
Any time today?
Just wait because it's sticky. Don't look sour.
Ayun. I knew there'd be something. Oh.
It's gotcha. You know gotcha?
God.
Is it masarap?
Oh.
Here we go guys. I got it, Grace.
Oh. God.
Is it very sweet? Huh?
It's getting better, but oh, it's bitter.
Bitter? It's
No.
sour?
Yeah, bitter sour. Oh. God. That's disgusting.
Disgusting. You're the one disgusting.
So, Mel, what's going to happen if we can get the money together to buy the stock off your mum? What's happening with Manny?
She will go na to the Iriga.
She's going to go, so that she's not staying at the house anymore.
Yeah, but not sometimes, yeah.
So I'm sitting here in the shop while Mel's doing what Mel's doing, thinking, can we really do it? And her mum's going, yeah, it's extra income, blah blah blah.
Why?
I'm not sure.
Why you're not sure?
It's going to be a lot of work, Mel.
Yeah.
I'm telling the subscribers not to bother with the Sari store,
And now you do it.
and then I'm thinking of doing it myself, but only because the difference here is it's on a main road and the
Yeah.
store's established.
Yeah, it's that.
Been here years, and
That's what I
this
said.
gets the most customers here.
Shut up. Yeah. Even there's a lot of.
Did you just tell me to shut up? That's outrageous.
No, that's what I'm gonna say. Even there's a lot of Sari store here. Still my mom a popular. There's a lot of customer.
Yeah. Pea soup? It's pea soup. Ew. Mane, why do you not want to run the store?
It's hard working, she said.
Hard work. So how are we going to do it then if it's hard work? Because I'm lazy. You
I'm
like
lazy too.
sleeping a lot.
It's sacrifice. It's sacrifices.
How much do you think we're going to have to pay your mum for the stock now?
I don't know, they don't have, count.
99.
Count. They don't count.
I don't know
So
what
you
to
think,
say, guys.
guys?
I'm thinking. I
You
don't.
think, guys, we will get it or not? Just give me idea, guys.
Do you want Mel to have her own business, guys, or not?
Yeah. Just comment below, guys.
1 minute she's excited, then she's thinking, my God, it's going to be a lot of work. And once it's all set up, as long as we get enough stock to where we don't have to keep going every day like your
Because my
mum.
mom every day she go to the center shop
Yeah.
every day.
Well, that's no good.
It's better to like once a week like
Yeah.
that. Or once a month.
No, not be once a month. You'd have to have a lot of money for that, Mel.
Yeah.
But I don't know what to say. I'm sitting here thinking
So give me advice, guys.
it's a good idea, and then I'm thinking perhaps not. Wait, don't smack
naughty,
mummy,
it's naughty.
you naughty boy.
But you hurt me. But you love me.
So what's your mum gonna do then if she's not in the shop?
She will go to urban. She look after the house to manage.
So where's she getting the money from then?
My sister.
Your sister's
Because my
gonna
sis-
send her money every
Yeah,
month.
every month. Because my sister, she don't. When my mom, she don't want to send money, while
She's in the store because
Yeah.
she just spends it on the store
from the store.
and wastes it.
That's what my mom. That's why my sister she did not send to my mom because every time she sent money to her, it always go from the shop.
Goes into the shop.
May ang bite.
I don't know what your mum's going to do with herself though, because she's going to keep doing the food, isn't she?
Yeah, she's still doing the morning food.
So let us know what you think, guys.
Just give me advice.
Should we try and get the money together to
Just give me advice, guys.
get Mel the store or what? We'll see.
Yeah, let's see. So, bye.
Please subscribe.
I don't know na. Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Beautiful eyes.
And don't forget to visit our website at BritainPhilippines.com.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss. More flying kiss.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy.